Hello everyone. In this video, we will see what is order static filter and what are the different types of order static filters. So order static filter, it is a type of spatial filter which is used for image restoration. And these are the different types of order static filters. Order static filter, like these are the spatial filters whose response is based on the ordering or ranking the values of the pixels which are contained in the image area and encompassed by the filter. So here the ranking result determines the response of the filter. Now the first type of order static filter is the median filter. It is the best known order static filter and it replaces the value of the pixel by the median of the intensity levels in the neighborhood of that pixel, and it is calculated by using this relation or the formula. Suppose, for example, we'll consider this image which is a 3 cross 3. That is the order of this is 3 cross 3. There are 3 rows and 3 columns. So here, if you can see the pixel values in this image, these are already sorted. Okay, so here these numbers are already sorted and the mean will be the centermost value. Suppose if the numbers are not sorted, they are random, then what you have to do is you need to first arrange the numbers in the ascending order in this way, and then you have to choose the center, that is the middle value, and that will be the median. Okay, so here the median filters, these are very popular, and because of certain types of random noise, they provide excellent noise reduction capabilities and with considerably less blurring than the linear smoothing filters of similar size. So these are better than that of the linear smoothing filters, and these filters are particularly effective in the presence of both the bipolar and the unipolar impulse noise. So the next type of filter is the max filter. Max filter, it selects the largest value in the sorted list, and it is used for removing the pepper noise, and it is calculated by using this relationship here. And this filter, it is useful for finding the brightest points in the image, and as the pepper noise, it has very low values, it is reduced um, it is reduced to the it is reduced by this filter, that is the max filter, and as a result of maximum selection process in the sub image area S of x y. Okay, then you have mean filter. This mean filter, it will select the minimum value in the sorted list, whereas this max filter was selecting the largest value. Mean filter will select the minimum value from the sorted list, and it is used for removing the salt noise, whereas this was removing the pepper noise. This will remove the salt noise, and here it is obtained by using this expression, and it is useful for finding the darkest points, whereas this was useful for finding the brightest points, that is a max filter. Mean filter is it is used for finding the darkest points. Okay, now next type of filter here in this is the midpoint filter. So midpoint filter, this will select the midpoint, and which is the average of the minimum and the maximum, and it is very effective in the Gaussian uniform noise and also the Gaussian noise and the uniform noise. That is, it can be used for removing these two types of noise, and it is given by this expression here. And this filter, it combines the order statistics and the averaging. So next you have trimmed filter. So trimmed filter, it works by removing the max and the mean values, and it will calculate the average of the remaining values. Suppose you have these numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Then what it will do is it will remove the first number and it will remove the last number, and it will find out the average of the remaining numbers, and these are replaced by that particular value of the pixel. So this is how the trimmed mean filter is calculated. Next is the alpha trimmed mean filter. So here it is based on the computation of the average pixels that falls within the window, and It works by deleting the d by 2 lowest and the d by 2 highest intensity values of g of r comma c in the neighborhood S of xy. And these are useful in situations involving multiple types of noises, that is such as the combination of salt and pepper noise and the Gaussian noise. And here, uh, if you take gr of r comma c, if it represents the remaining mn minus d pixels in the uh, neighborhood S of x comma y, then a filter formed by averaging these remaining pixels, it is called as the alpha trimmed mean filter. Okay, so here what we are doing, we are representing this as the remaining mn minus d pixels. Then a filter is formed by averaging the remaining pixels, that is by leaving these pixels, it is called as the alpha trimmed mean filter. So where the value of this d, okay, value of this d, it can range from 0 to m minus 1, and it is calculated by using this formula here. Now when this d is 0, the alpha trimmed filter, it will reduces to the arithmetic mean filter. And when d is m minus 1, that is the value of d is mn minus 1, then the filter becomes a median filter. And for other values of d, it is very useful in the situations like involving the multiple types of noise, that is the combination of the salt and the pepper noise. So here this was about the order static filters. Thank you.